up in the air, caught and bowled. Tried to go for the little rump. Taskin shouted, "This is mine." What a decision by Sikandar Raza to give him another bowl.
Well, you like the decision. It's been proven right now. It's a strange option from Hafiz. Ball just going away. Knows he's going to bowl outside the off stump. Makes no mistake taking that catch. Isn't he delighted? Fantastic from Sikandar Raza. He saw that.
This is straight towards mid-wicket. Doesn't take it. Tried to dive in front, and this will run away for a boundary. Fine leg is in place. Using the pace, playing that little ramp shot.
Well, they talk about Tom Banton hitting 360 degrees. He's very good at the reverse sweep as well for the fast bowler. I've seen Joe Root doing it in test matches, and Tom Banton hits them for 6 pretty often. Ravi Vapara, 2 Englishmen at the crease now. He's a lovely player, Ravi. A lot of experience.
Well, he splices this. Mid-wicket is underneath it. He's got to go. You can hear what it means to Taskin. 2 wickets in the over. Burl is the man who takes...
26 years of age. He is the one man who does come from Joburg. That is for sure. With a surname like that. 17 for 3 though. My word, has he got a lot of work to do. Taskin Ahmed swinging the ball.